everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyinye Ude, and if today is your first time seeing my video, then you are welcome. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make Nigerian puff puff. Today we're going to be making two recipes, the savory and sweet recipe. Let's get started. So we're going to be sifting three cups of all-purpose flour. We have to sift it so that we will get rid of all lumps. We have Active Yeast, less than a teaspoon of salt, have 1 cup of sugar. Today what we are making is a savory and sweet Nigerian puff puff. Okay, we are making a savory and sweet Nigerian puff puff. Mix it up properly. We are going to add water. I'm using warm water because of the yeast, so that it will act. Add gradually. So we are going to cover it up and let it rise for 20 minutes. Okay, so we have our onions, okay, and the hot pepper. This is Habanero pepper. We are going to cut them. So this is it after 20 minutes. It has risen. It's ready. For savory, add our onions and our pepper. Mix it up. This recipe tastes so good. It's time to fry it. So today we decided to fry Nigerian puff puff, which is different from Nigerian buns. Okay, we fried two recipes, savory and sweet, and look at that. It smells so good and it's inviting.